it be done?
Just in time for all your friends to have a piece.
Friends?
My friends are coming over to play.
Oh. Well, you must be very quiet then, because Mother Bear is going to be paying bills this morning.
And Father Bear is going to be reading his newspaper.
We'll be very quiet. I promise.
Good.
Shh. Shh.
They're here! Sorry. Hi, everybody. Come in.
Hi, little bear. It's my favorite kind of weather. Maybe we should go outside and...
Duck, this is terrible weather.
I'll say.
And Little Bear has invited us to play inside today.
Oh!
Come on. Let's play with the seashells Father Bear brought home.
Shh.
Shh. Hello, Father Bear.
Good morning, Hen. Hello, Cat.
Hi, Father Bear.
Hello, Duck.
What's wrong with Father Bear?
Father Bear likes quiet when he's reading the paper.
What?
Shh.
Remember, if we listen carefully, we can hear the sound of the ocean.
Ah, I hear it.
You do?
I do. Too.
Shh. I can't hear.
I can't help it.
What's wrong?
He has the hiccups.
Very observant, Hen.
Shh.
Let me get you some water, Little Bear.
That's better.
Water always works.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late. Have I missed anything?
I guess you don't bother to knock anymore.
Thank goodness Owl is here. He'll know what to do.
About what?
Water won't stop my hiccups.
Well, now, let me think. Water is a good idea, but he must hold his breath too.
How can I hold my breath too?
Well, you could try. Trying never hurt anybody.
For how long?
For as long as it takes. Longer. Well?
It worked, Owl. No more. Oh.
Maybe you didn't hold your breath long enough. This always works.
What did you do that for?
I was trying to get rid of your hiccups. Go ahead. You try it on me. Come on.
See?
But you never had them.
Oh my! Someone is at the door. I wonder who it could be.
do in the name of friendship?
What? I bet we made the hiccups go away.
You're right, Duck. My hiccups are gone. Oh.
It was a good idea.
Some idea.
Well, Owl, your idea didn't work too well.
Cat's idea didn't help either.
Excuse me, but I read about that technique in a very famous book.
What book? I've read every book in the library.
Oh, please. You think you know everything.
I can read.
Oh my.
Enough! How can I read with all this noise?
I was only hiccuping.
What was that?
Hiccuping. I was only hiccuping.
Hiccuping? I can't hear any hiccups.
But I was hiccuping.
All right, hiccup for me. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, hiccup. Well, I guess you can't hiccup anymore.
My hiccups are gone.
Wonderful.
A brilliant idea, Father Bear.
Ingenious.
Smart, too.
You can still stop them my way. Little Bear didn't really try. You just have to know how to do it.
That's right. You just have to know how to do it.
Now, who wants pie?
I do, too.
I'll have a